Soap. It is all around us, but what do we really know about it? Turns out that soap is a combination of acid and base. Acid plus fat, so it's pretty much fatty acid plus triglycerides. Triglycerides are a type of fat or lipid found in your blood that your body uses for energy. When these ingredients are combined, the saponification reaction occurs. That's when the fatty acid separates from the triglyceride, fusing with the hydroxide ions, forming a salt that we call soap. Now, when we're washing something, soap is doing two things. First, it's decreasing the surface tension of the water, and second, it is blending into dirt, oil, and bacteria. Soap has a connected chain of hydrogen, carbon, and oxygen atoms. Now let's look at the chain. One end is lipophilic, meaning that it's attracted to oil, and the other end is hydrophilic, meaning that it's attracted to water. So when you're lathering up, the lipophilic end is picking up the oil and grease off your hand, and when you rinse off, the hydrophilic end follows the water. Water itself can't get all the junk off your hand because water doesn't mix with oil. Surfactants are surface active agents. They reduce surface tension, and soap is a surfactant. Soap has two parts, hydrophilic head and lipophilic tail. Sodium stearate is a common form of soap. It is a carboxylate in a long hydrocarbon chain. This creates a hydrophilic and lipophilic end. The red hydrophilic end in this picture is attracted to water, while the green lipophilic end is attracted to oil and dirt. The hydrophilic end is soluble in water, while the lipophilic end is soluble in oil. As the soap surrounds the oil, the combination of soap and oil becomes soluble in water. That's the magic of soap. It turns oil that is insoluble in water into a substance that is soluble in water. This allows us to clean things that have oil using water, a fantastic way to keep germs and dirt out of our life. Now that you know what soap is, let's talk about what we can do next. The Mayo Clinic recommends washing your hand before eating or making food. Also, wash your hands after cooking, and wash your hands after you take out the garbage. And wash your hands after you blow your nose. And after you use the bathroom. Now that you know, wash your hands, be clean, and have a great time.